Okay, it was a little rainy. Had a good night over here at the river here. Got up this morning, came down to Sinclair, came to Rollins, got some groceries, and then we headed straight north up to 87. Came all the way up here, turned at this junction, went all the way up to Lander. This town was awesome. It was a beautiful town, and it was right by a river. And they have free camping in the city park there. It was really nice. Tent and RV, but there was only a few spots. And then we just kind of looked around, and then we kept going. Came up through here, went through Du Bois. I found a place to water in the dog park in Du Bois. Found it on Overlander. So we filled up with water. Came up through here, through Moran Junction, and then came back down here. Then we turned off on a forest road. We found some boondocking right across from the Grand Tetons. So we're maybe over here, I don't know, somewhere in here at the Grand Tetons, and we have an awesome view of the Grand Tetons, which you'll see in the right here. Coming up, we have what's called a nature's bridge. They build these bridges so the animals can cross without getting hit by the traffic. These probably cost about $1 million to build. Headed to the Grand Tetons. Man, this is just gorgeous. And the DJI is kind of shooting better than the GoPro. Uh-oh.
So he's pulling something off.
Oh, there's a tire tread pulled off. Thank you for your service. Yeah, he pulled the tire off. That's not good if you're a motorcyclist.
For anybody.
No. Oh my gosh.
Steel treads and poke holes and tear tires.
Yeah. Look at the clouds in there. Oh, yeah. It's so beautiful. Very nice.
Another big valley. We just came across the Continental Divide at 7,100 feet.
We never have enough time.
Yeah.
We only go no more than, well, today's a big day. We're going 270 miles, I think. This is long for us.
Long day.
We'll probably stay at the Tetons 1 or 2 days and check out Yellowstone if it's not too busy. Sometimes the Yellowstone's easier to see in little pieces instead of all at once. Later. What did you say? Someone got Rice Krispie treats. Let me see. Because he was crying because he's been on this diet, so he's going to get a treat. Here we go. You want one of these? If I could get it open. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, looky there. Mark's a happy boy, huh? And then you're going to have spinach salad for dinner tonight? Oh, I just grabbed them. Oop, I'll take that one. We just missed it. Now we're on the next line. I'm so bummed out. There you go. He said it's not that long.
Not a very long run at all. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are they doing?
The road level so they can chip seal.
Oh, okay.
I guess washboards on a chip seal road is not no good.
Yeah, you end up with a lot of bare spots. Well, that's a nice smooth road, that's for sure. Beats the hell out of the roads.
I've been milling on it for a while.
Yeah. Yeah, can't even tell he's moving.
No biggie. We're not in a rush.
No.
You need water or anything?
It's good. It's nice water.
Oh.
Well, you guys have a safe trip.
Yeah,
Hi, thank you.
I'll try to stay out of traffic.
Yeah, probably a good thing.
He was a very nice man.
Yeah.
Follow me. Shoot, we didn't even wait 5 minutes. So that's pretty good. They're so nice here. What do you think? What do you think, Jake? Just hanging out today? His dad's little navigator there. Wow, that's a lot of traffic that backs up. Wow, in that short amount of time. Looks like there's more traffic going that way than this way.